Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome. This is Mike from the Pipe Doctor Plumbing and Heating. We are working on a central air conditioning system by Rheem. This particular system developed a air conditioning leak last year, and we determined that it was in the coil by pressure test. We also followed up with ultraviolet dye, which I really don't like to use, but it is what it is. So here we have classic evaporator coil leak. The green, or that neon green color that you see right there with the help of this ultraviolet light, is the dye that has leaked out of the system and therefore affects the cooling and, the having to add refrigerant R410A to the system. So we recovered what little refrigerant was left in the system. I'll show you the condenser. Just walk over there real quick. We got a Rheem 14 AJM 4-ton condenser up in that attic line set travels to, and the indoor air handler that contains the evaporator coil is a Rheem model RHLL. So I just removed the evaporator coil from the system, brought it to the truck, and unfortunately this unit is not covered under manufacturer's warranty because the manufacturer's warranty on an RHLL is only 5-year parts, which is kind of upsetting. But in any case, one of the reasons why we don't install Rheem anymore, because of all these coil leaks. And the theory behind it is the bimetal corrosion. So you have copper bends here, the elbows on each row of the evaporator coil meeting the steel. So geniuses, I don't think I don't know what these engineers were thinking, but I'm only an HVAC and licensed master plumber, and I know better than that. But as you can see, right there, look, just eating right through. And of course then we get a leak. So this dye shows us where that leak is. In any case, we're going to pick up a new evaporator coil from Rheem. We're gonna go drive out to the distributor, pick that up, install the new evaporator coil, triple vacuum and nitrogen charge the system for any other leaks, and then pull the system down to 500 microns using our vacuum pump, and then charge the system to proper specification. This is a very long job. This will take probably a good 5 man-hours in travel time and in labor on site. So this is not a cheap repair. So this further strengthens the need to have a good service agreement with a service provider that will take care of parts and labor, like we do. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. This is Mike from the Pipe Doctor signing off. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 516-348-6300, and my email address is mike@pipedoc.net. Looking forward to your call and your emails. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thank you very much for watching, guys.